Starting something new feels exciting. There's that voice inside saying, "This time, I'll do it for real." But 2 days later, you're back to old habits. No energy, no drive, no progress. Why does this happen? It's because you relied on motivation. And motivation doesn't last. It's like a feeling that comes and goes. So what should you rely on? A system. A small action done consistently every day. For example, read 1 page after breakfast, put on workout clothes right after waking up, or turn off all devices 30 minutes before bed. It's a routine. Motivation is like a spark that burns out quickly, but a system is like a machine that keeps running. So stop chasing motivation, start building systems. One small system can change everything.